Hello student. Now today we will sing a new poem for standard first traffic rules. Now start. Unit 7 topic first traffic rules. Listen, learn and read aloud. When you go out into the street in your vehicle or on your feet, when you go out into the street in your vehicle or on your feet, look out for each traffic sign to keep you safe, secure and fine. To keep you safe, secure and fine. To cross the road when you go walking, use the black and white zebra crossing. Use the black and white zebra crossing. Okay, student, look at the word and act the proper action. Yellow clear say get ready. Green clear say go. And red clear say stop. Listen and write. Watch, go, stop, without, feet, street, green, red, yellow, walking, crossing. Look student, if a signal changes to the clear red, stop at once. Don't go ahead. Get ready, be very careful when it turns yellow. When it turns green, it is safe to go.